Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the E64 error code on your Frigidaire dryer from the 2025 models, you're in the right place. This error typically indicates a problem with the dryer's temperature sensor or heating system, which can stop your machine from operating properly and leave your clothes damp. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through what this means, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step. First things first, safety is key. Always unplug your dryer before starting any troubleshooting to avoid electrical hazards. Now, let's dive in. The E64 error often points to issues like a faulty thermistor, which measures the temperature inside the dryer, or problems with the wiring connected to the heating element. Other common causes include lint buildup blocking airflow or a malfunctioning control board. To start troubleshooting, check the exhaust vent and clean out any lint or debris that might be restricting airflow. This is a quick and easy fix that could resolve the issue. Next, inspect the thermistor. You'll find it near the blower housing. Use a multimeter to test if it's working correctly. If it's not, you might need to replace it. Parts are usually affordable and available online. If you're comfortable with electronics, reset the control board by unplugging the dryer for a few minutes and then plugging it back in. Remember, if you're not handy with tools, it's best to call a professional to avoid causing more damage. Once you've fixed the problem, run a test cycle to ensure everything's back to normal. And there you have it. That's how you tackle the E64 error on your Frigidaire dryer. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more appliance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.